Okay, so it is 5:30 in the morning and we are finally leaving to join the ship. This is not going to be a typical vlog, but I am documenting the entire journey so you guys can come with me. We're heading from Seoul in South Korea all the way to Ulsan in South Korea. The joining port is Ulsan. The ship is going to be berthing in another 2 or 3 hours. So the plan is to get out of here, travel to Ulsan by road. My agent is down under the quarantine facility. I have done a total of 4 days of quarantine and we're finally moving out. So let's get into the journey. Hope you guys enjoy this. It's time for life at sea. Okay, so we're finally in the lift. Everything happened really quick. Every time you're joining a ship, you have this excitement and you also have this pit in your stomach trying to figure out how it's going to be. And I have that pit right now. It's like this crazy amount of excitement and anxiety at the same time. It's insane. It's like this really different feeling. Third! Who's third engineer? So we just met up with third engineer. We're going to be heading from Incheon from Seoul all the way to Ulsan now, and we're going to be heading for our immigration. He's Filipino and he's been in quarantine. How many days you been in quarantine?
10 days here.
So he's been in quarantine here for 10 days.
In Manila.
So he's been in quarantine in Manila for 28 days and then 10 days in Korea. So you're looking at 38 days of quarantine before you can join his ship. Let's not forget the multiple COVID tests that he must have done. So it's crazy. I was luckier. I did about a week in Bombay and about 5 days in Korea. So it's not too bad. So next stop immigration and then Ulsan port. So we just stopped at this little rest stop so that we can stretch, use the washrooms. It's a 4-hour journey. It's crazy. Korea is one of the most beautiful countries I've transited. We've been going from one city to another city off the highways and it's fantastic. It is such a brilliant experience. And we're heading back. That was a quick stop. Back to the road. Bye-bye, sir. Thank you. Okay, so the ship is still at anchor. I don't know if you guys have been watching my vlogs, but last year we were in this exact same location. We're taking a boat from the exact same location and heading back to the ship again. Full circle, you guys, full circle. That's the port of Ulsan. That's the boat of Ulsan. And that's third engineer. You ready to join the ship?
Yes!
Alright. You guys can see it's pretty cool. There's a lot of ships here. This is one of the most congested ports in Korea. That's our ship, straight ahead. We're almost there. Home for the next 6 months, you guys. We finally reached the ship. Okay, you guys, we finally made it on board. I met the captain and I was notified I have exactly 4 hours before we're actually going to change over and the second officer is going to go home. So I have to go up to the bridge and take over as soon as possible. Alright, third officer Navid. Okay guys, it's officially time for me to say this. We have been on board for 24 hours now and we've sailed out from Ulsan, which was in South Korea, where I boarded the vessel. We're heading to Singapore. We have a vetting in the next port of Singapore, which basically means in 7 days I have an inspection, so I have to get used to the ship, prepare the bridge, prepare the navigation equipment and make sure we pass this vetting. So I'm gonna go prepare for that. I have 7 days to get used to the ship and to make sure everything's in good condition. Definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And as you guys can see, we're back at sea. So welcome back to another episode of Life and Sea, you guys. It's season 2 and we're just getting started. Stay tuned for more. See you next time.